Welcome to Flagstaff in the fall. Flagstaff, Arizona is a perfect destination to experience the beauty of fall. In this video, we're taking you along as we explore a great location for capturing the changing colors and enjoying the crisp mountain air. As we turned on the road to Snowbowl, the landscape began to change, lighting up the roads as we drove higher up in altitude. Our first stop was Snowbowl, a place known for its skiing, but in the fall it transforms into a photographer's paradise. The peaks of the San Francisco mountains tower above, and the valleys are painted in shades of gold and green. It's a place where nature truly shows off its best. The towering pines and the vibrant yellows were breathtaking.
Arizona Snowbowl is one of the state's premier destinations for skiing, snowboarding, and outdoor recreation. Snowbowl sits in the slopes of Mount Humphreys, the highest peak in Arizona at 12,637 feet. Snowbowl is known for its diverse terrain, catering to the skiers and snowboarders of all levels. It features over 777 skiable acres, with 55 trails ranging from beginner to expert. But in the summer and fall, they offer scenic chairlift rides. The ski resort offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area, including Flagstaff, Coconino National Forest, and even a glimpse of the Grand Canyon on clear days. Visitors can ride the Arizona Gondola up to 11,500 feet for stunning panoramic views. The ride is particularly popular in the fall when the aspens turn golden, making it a favorite spot for photographers.
The Scenic Gondola ride typically lasts about 7 to 10 minutes, giving passengers plenty of time to take in the views. The enclosed cabins offer a smooth and comfortable ride, making it accessible for all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're visiting for the skiing in the winter or the fall foliage, the Arizona Gondola is an unforgettable way to experience the beauty of Snowbowl and the surrounding areas.
After the gondola ride, we headed down the road to one of the highlights of our trip, Aspen Corner. This spot is perfect for soaking in the colors of fall, which means many photographers and nature lovers visit on the weekend, so we recommend trying to visit during the week if possible. Aspen Corner is situated in the western slopes of the San Francisco peaks, along the road leading up to Arizona Snowbowl. At around 8,500 feet in elevation, Aspen Corner is surrounded by dense groves of aspen trees, which thrive in the cooler, high-altitude environment. It is most famous for its breathtaking fall foliage. In the late September through early October, the aspens turn to a bright shade of gold. The contrast between the golden leaves and the dark green pines, along with the backdrop of the San Francisco peaks, makes it for great landscape photography.
Aspen Corner is a starting point for several popular hiking trails that showcase the beauty of the San Francisco peaks and the surrounding forest, including the Arizona Trail, Bismarck Lake Trail, and the Waterline Trail. It is also home to a variety of wildlife species. You might spot elk, mule deer, and various birds. This area's rich ecosystem with dense aspen groves and open meadows makes it a great spot for nature watching and photography. The San Francisco peaks themselves, which rise above Aspen Corner, are sacred to many Native American tribes in the region, including the Navajo and Hopi, and they hold significant cultural and spiritual importance.
Aspen Corner is only 7 miles from downtown Flagstaff, where you'll have many options to end your journey with some delicious food and drinks. Fall in Flagstaff is nothing short of spectacular, from Snowbowl's sweeping vistas to the intimate beauty of the Aspen Corner, and every corner of this place invites you to slow down and appreciate the season. Whether you're here to capture it on camera or just take in the sights, it's a trip you won't want to miss. As a reminder, our images from these adventures are available for sale at forloveandcraft.com, where proceeds go to feed the hungry. Until next time, explore
Create
and do good. Bye,
Bye.
guys.